Hey everybody, today is September 28th, 2022. It's a Wednesday. It is 60 some degrees, about 10 o'clock in the morning. And I've dropped my kids off. I've got a couple hours, so I was going to go fishing for a little bit. Just looking to see what can bite. Going to try getting them on a, not a chatterbait, a square bill. And then just going for smaller fish on the Bobby Garland jigs and everything. So really looking forward to that. The weather is nice. The water is quite dark and quite muddy and everything. So we'll see if we're going to be able to get anything or not. But stay tuned, should be fun. Oh, is he still on there? He's still on there. Jeez almighty. Boy, these guys are making me work today. I'm a little fish. Little bluegill. Okay, a little guy. I thought I missed that one too. I had to like downsize my hook and downsize everything to try to be able to get these guys to bite. Tiny, tiny. That's okay, whatever. Alright, so this one got the bottom one. This is a little green sunfish. Or no, I'm sorry, it's a long-ear. Okay. Just trying to fish for whatever bites today. They're all going for the bottom one. Maybe I should set them both up. And their little... That might be a pumpkin seed. There we go. Little pumpkin seed? I'm not sure. That was cool. This is a bass. Nope. Look at that. Big honkin' bluegill. All of them on the bottom one. Alright, chill out. Big bluegill. Oh, big bluegill. Smaller than my hand. Still good size for me. Oh, shoot, I'm pointing the wrong direction. Little long ear again. Better get home. I guess I am going to get some on film today. I don't know if that actually came through or not, but another little long ear. I'm glad I didn't get eaten by anything on the way in. Another bluegill, small one. There we go. There we go. Probably the same one. Boy, this guy's angry. Another little long ear. Been a little while since the last bite, but what I need to do is I need to come out here and figure out how to get, well, I mean, I probably need navionics to get the deeper fish, but this is still fine. Another little one. Another little one. Still fun. No wonder I can't catch any of these. Look how small this guy is. Ooh. Ooh. That's a bass. GoPro start. Are we recording? This guy. Alright. never do know what you're gonna get on these. Pretty good little bass. Little largemouth. That was cool. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. Boy, give me a heart attack. Okay, that was random. We get that on camera? Not really, but it's my own fault. Goodness. Hey, chill out. Boy, he's got some sharp teeth. Second random bass today. Okay, so that was super fun. You know, I just went out to the little Maumelle, just east of Pinnacle Park is the access and everything. But really had a good time. Really, honestly, was just looking for smaller fish. You know, went out doing a bobber stop, a slip bobber with a couple bobby garlands and everything, and caught a bunch of fish. You know, some pretty good size, and then I had a couple surprise largemouth bass as well. That was really a lot of fun. So only went about 2.5 miles. It's gorgeous outside. The weather's cold. I still can't figure out what the larger fish are wanting the bass and everything. I think they're still just kind of settling in to a fall pattern, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But at any rate, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you all do well, and please be safe. Thanks. Bye.